This is Legoland Malaysia. The roller coaster ride is VR style, which enhances the experience of the ride. The mini world in Legoland is vast. Captured famous landmarks all over the world. Characters in the mini world make the world feel alive. Different scenes in each region reflect the living style at that landmark. You can try their tourist train in the park to get around the park quickly.